Today is 1/1/21. Today's cooking experiment on the new Traeger smoker will be taking this marinated salmon and smoking it. Let me see if I can remember how to do this. I've only done it twice now. Turn that guy on. Light turned on. That's good news. And there's nothing here. What do? Push menu. So I want to preheat this thing before I throw the salmon on there. And the videos I saw seemed to indicate to cook the salmon. Oh, I gotta push a button. Push ignite. Starts making noise. It's currently 59 degrees, 58 degrees. But the videos I watched on YouTube, I don't know, weren't real clear. I was looking for something really simple for the salmon. This is salmon that I went deep sea fishing at Costco, where I always go get my fish. I wanted something simple, so this is just Yoshidas marinade. Doesn't get much simpler than that. It just ignited, and it is making lots of really nice smelling smoke. By the way, I'm using the hickory pellets because that's all I have. I got this for Christmas. They got me 2 bags of hickory pellets, so that's what we're using. I did put the app on my work phone. My phone's too old. I set this thing to preheat to 180. It looks like we're there. I guess I should say that I really don't know what the heck I'm doing. Again, this is the 3rd time we've used this thing. This is going to be my own technique, I think. I'm going to go ahead and use the vegetable cooker from my gas grill. And I'm going to try to fit all this salmon on there. I don't think it's all going to fit. See what happens. There's quite a bit here. This is a Costco sized. I'm afraid if I put it directly on the grill, it's gonna, once it starts cooking or gets close to being done, it's gonna flake apart and fall right through the regular grill. It looks like it might fit. I'm going to cook these for about 30 minutes, 25-30 minutes at 180. And then come out and turn the temperature up to 350 degrees and put the temperature probe in it. And cook it to 140 to 145 internal meat temperature. It's 411. I'll come back out at about 4:30. 4:35 and check it out. So the app has a timer. I'm going to set this for 20 minutes. Oh, there we go. Well, it's making a lot of smoke right now. Boy, I hope this comes out good. It's been 25, almost 30 minutes, I think. I'm going to put the temperature probe into the meat and then turn this thing up to 350 degrees. Here. So the probe's on the right, the grill temperature is on the left. I'm going to turn it up to 350. I just set the probe alarm for 140. And we'll turn this up to 350. Push the button. It's been 20 minutes or so. And the meat, salmon, is 143 degrees. I'm going to take a look. let it cook a few more minutes. I'll bet this part is really done. Oh yeah. That's good. I'm going to let it cook a few more minutes just to make sure the thicker part is done. This is our third, what do you call it? Smoker cook. And the first two were very successful. We had filet mignon on Christmas Eve. It was outstanding. And then we had ribs on the 29th, St. Louis style ribs with a rub on them. And oh my gosh, we ate them up. It was 3 racks of ribs and we ate them up in 2 nights, just the 3 of us. And the girls don't eat much, so that says I might have eaten a lot. Probe temperature of 149. Alright, I'm going to take these off. My daughter had to teach me how to do this. Shut down. You go whoosh. Is it shutting down? Let me try that again. I don't know. I hope it's shutting down. Pull this probe out. Come apart a little bit. Looks pretty good. There's our dinner. This thing sure doesn't seem like it's shutting off though. Okay, now it's shutting down. I had to do it slower. And it says shutdown cycle 13 minutes 35 seconds. There we go.